Tests show that more than 40% of synthetic oils on the market fail to deliver the protection they claim. Yet many drivers still trust the label. Here are 9 synthetic oils worth your money and 5 you should avoid. Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic Castrol Edge uses titanium-based additives that strengthen the oil film under pressure. Unlike cheaper oils that thin when hot, this one maintains thickness and resists metal contact. Engines running Castrol Edge often show clean bearings and minimal scoring, even after years of hard use. Ideal for turbocharged or direct injection engines exposed to heat and stress. 8 Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. A long-standing balanced oil for everyday driving. It handles short trips, cold starts, and highway runs without breaking down. Its moly and zinc additives reduce wear, and strong detergents keep pistons clean. Tests show it holds viscosity longer than many expensive brands. Reliable, affordable, and proven for long-term protection. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic. Made from natural gas instead of crude oil, Pennzoil's Pure Plus base is almost impurity-free. It resists sludge and oxidation, keeping engines spotless past 100,000 miles. It remains fluid in freezing cold and stable in high heat, providing consistent oil pressure and protection. Certified to meet modern standards like API-P and Dexos 1 Gen 3. 6. Mobil 1 Extended Performance built for long intervals, often up to 15,000 miles. It combines strong oxidation control with durable film strength, keeping metal wear low even under stress. Oil analysis confirms low iron and aluminum wear after long use. It also resists burn-off, perfect for engines that consume oil between changes. Dependable and predictable under heat or mileage. Royal Purple High-Performance Synthetic Royal Purple bonds to metal surfaces, protecting even when the engine is cold. It reduces friction, quiets valve trains, and enhances throttle response. Tests show improved horsepower and lower wear under load. It's pricier but ideal for performance or older engines needing added protection. 4. Pennzoil Signature Series. The first API-approved synthetic oil and still one of the most durable. It delivers stable viscosity, strong detergency, and oxidation resistance even after 20,000 miles. Engines stay clean under towing and high load. Consistency in both cold and heat makes it a favorite for drivers who want fewer oil changes and maximum protection. 3 Liqui Moly Synthoil Premium. A precision German formulation containing molybdenum disulfide, which forms a protective layer between metal parts. This reduces friction, wear, and noise. It resists thinning at high temperature and is approved under strict European standards. ACA A3B4, VW 502-505. Excellent for European engines or those that demand high protection. Shell Rotella, T6 full synthetic famous in diesel engines but equally good for older gas engines. High in zinc and phosphorus, it prevents wear in high-pressure systems and flat tappet cams. Strong detergents suspend soot and carbon, keeping internals clean. It maintains viscosity under extreme heat and stress, proving reliable for heavy-duty and long-haul use. Mobil 1 Annual Protection Top-Tier Formula, offering up to 20,000 miles or 1 year of protection. Lab tests show over 50% better wear resistance than standard synthetics. Its PAO base and advanced anti-wear additives maintain pressure, viscosity, and thermal stability. It's trusted in turbo engines, V8s, and high-mileage daily drivers needing consistent endurance. Now for the oils to avoid. Generic or no-name synthetics low-cost oils often skip essential additives. They degrade fast, cause sludge, and lack certifications like API or Dexos. Always verify official markings before buying. High-mileage oils marketed as full synthetic. Many of these are blends, not full synthetics. They foam, shear, and leave residue in older engines. Read the back label for API or ILSAC approvals to confirm authenticity. 3 oils without API or Dexos certification. No certification means unverified performance. Always look for API-SP, ILSAC GF6, or Dexos 1 Gen 3 logos to ensure modern protection against wear and heat. 2. Outdated or clearance oils. Old stock loses chemical balance. Additives separate, and outdated formulas, like API-SN or SM, fail to protect modern engines. Check batch codes and avoid clearance bins. 1. Wrong viscosity oils. Using the wrong grade is the fastest way to ruin an engine. Thicker isn't better. Always match the viscosity listed on your oil cap or owner's manual. Wrong viscosity leads to starvation, wear, and heat buildup. Synthetic oil quality varies wildly. Stick with verified, tested products and use the right grade.